Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video I'll show you best Google Chrome cleanup tools that you can use to fix broken shortcuts and optimize the working way of your Google Chrome. Okay, so let's get started with the first tool. So the first tool here we have is the Chrome cleanup tool, and you can get the link from description down below. So just click over the link, download and run. So now this kind of tool becomes handy on older system, or if the Google Chrome that you are using you can't update, or it's running on older version, so it becomes handy in that kind of situation. So what it does actually, it actually scan whole area of your Google Chrome and looks for broken shortcuts, missing links, and if there is any malicious plugin or program, it removes them immediately with perfection. Okay, so now moving on to the next application. It's not an application, but it is helpful. It is inbuilt feature within your Google Chrome. All you just have to click over the setting, scroll down, come down to the advanced tab, and then you will see options on your left side, including reset and cleanup. So if you are sure that there is high kind of things has been messed up, so you can just reset or you can clean up. So the working way of this option and the Google Chrome cleanup tool is same. There is no difference, but the difference is if you are running on older system, that tool becomes handy, and if you are on latest version, you can just scan by from here. Okay, so I'm sure there are no broken shortcuts or malicious programs in my PC. So moving on to the next. So the last and final, my most favorite and best designed software is the Hijack This. You can actually say it completely hijacks all the broken things on your computer. So this is my favorite one. So what it does actually, it helps you to scan all the broken, missing links and very sensitive area which you can't actually scan by any antivirus software with any removal tool or some sort of adware, which are kind of very heavy and popular. This application is just perfect. Okay, so you can run it with a log file, or you can just run a system scan only. So I'm running it with a system scan only, and it is showing me attention form about the host file. Okay, anyway, so we are now going to look over the missing link, the service area of Google Chrome service. I have already fixed all of the major areas of Google Chrome, but might be there could be some more. So let's see if there is any. So as I told you, here we have 3 missing service links. So you can just check them and click over fix, checked. Then all the missing links, broken shortcuts, service areas will be get fixed by itself. You don't have to do anything. So this is how you can fix missing links, broken areas, or malicious programs in your Google Chrome, and you can make it fast. You can just see how quickly it responds now and how perfectly it works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.